Right, so guys, we're back for BTEC construction update number 2. Got the island behind us.
The fact you say BTEC is really offensive.
It's not offensive, like, whatever. Anyway, we're joined today by Kieran Adams and Mr. Dancing Dean, Jack Silkstone. I don't know why I said that actually, that's a bit weird. And we've got Zoella. So it's going to be a good day. We're here at the island, like...
No other.
Oh, brilliant, sick. So yeah, come along. Right, so first little update is the dome is going to become the big top.
Didn't you say that?
I said that, exactly, but this guy was like, oh no,
that.
typical Archie. You're like, oh, typical Archie, fuck off, you know what I mean? Like,
I've heard enough.
this is this is becoming the big top showtime. It's obviously a scare zone instead of maze, and yeah, it's gonna be like pretty good. Hopefully, I mean, like the lighting rigs. I don't know if that's for it, but whatever.
Mamma Mia.
Why are you singing Mamma Mia?
It's great.
You're actually obsessed with that film? Like, not even seen it. So
we are now at the location of the Walking Dead.
She fucking pisses me off. So here we are at the Walking Dead Do or Die, what is a new maze for this year. It is basically Sanctum, but it's been renamed and it's also redesigned. They've gutted out some of these containers, what's actually mental, so they're probably going to put loads of theming in and you're going to actually go inside the containers again. And if I remember from previous mazes, like My Bloody Valentine and Experiment 10, inside these is terrifying. They I don't know what they do, they theme it so well and it's just terrifying. So yeah, I'm pretty anticipating. You still see Experiment 10 sort of like rubbing off on that container there, so yeah. Right, so we're now over by platform 15 and they've got the sign up, got some steps out, and that's about it actually. But I think it's going to be quite interesting because if, pronounce it for me.
Zombie.
Oh, zombie on.
Yeah, if it's returning for Fright Nights,
Zombie on.
it's going to be quite interesting how they're going to have to cram 2 queue lines into this small old town area.
No, they're using the loggers leaf like trough as a queue line.
That's lovely. Well, really?
Yeah.
Brilliant. That's brilliant. Health and safety, 100%.
No, it's calm.
It's calm. Okay, that's cool. And then we have Timber Tug here. I think Safi's not operating it. That's dead. Is Safi working today?
I just shove no idea.
Yeah. Well, anyway, on to the next thing. Right, so we're now over by Vulcan.
Yeah.
Hey Joe, right, I was a bit like, oh, it's weird to go in the I'm Sled building. It was pretty sick actually. And as you can see, there's already set up, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's just some footage from Vulcan Peak and the new, pronounce it for me.
What? Zombie.
Yeah, whatever.
Zombie hunt.
Zombie hunt.
You
Shut up. That's where like the route's going to go for it. And now we're going to check out Nemesis Inferno exit for...
I don't know. I'm just here.
Blair Witch. Why are you such a snake?
I don't even know what's happening.
Okay, so... Right, so we're at Sunken Gardens now, and hey, it's blocked off. I think it's because they filmed a thing the other day, but we still don't quite know where the horror at Amity High is going. We don't know if it's like a scare zone or if it's going to be back here, or if it's going to be in front of Stealth or in the actual Amity area. But yeah, like, it's pretty interesting why it's boxed off, but yeah. So, going and Walking Dead the ride. I think I always do vlog this every time I go on it because it always changes. Like, it just does, doesn't it? It just does change. So, it's going to be interesting to see if anything's changed between now and last time I rode it.
Basically, about the ride. I've got a Facebook page now. If you want to go drop a like, I'll actually leave a link.
I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link to this page. Give it a like. So yeah, good stuff.
Yeah.
Right, so we've left the park and we're now down Monk's Walk. Joe, I don't normally come down here, like it's kind of sort of Jack's thing, but I decided to come down here with him. It's pretty cool. Here we have, you can't actually see it, so I don't even know what I'm showing you, but platform 15 is to our right. I didn't remember this sort of mound thing happening. But yeah, apparently it's been rehearsing today. It was pretty cool. And yeah, it's just too hot. Like, I'm not gonna lie, but I can see Logger's leap slip till through the trees.
There is a new Facebook page in town. Mine, if you want to go like it, link is in the description. We have just seen.
Yeah.
Hex the maze confirmed.
Right here. First, exclusive, not on your channel.
Oh my god, guys!
Like, so Megan.
No, I told you, bro. She wants to get the updates before anyone else.
She's racing for the news.
Megan, get the fuck back. Oh my god, she's lost. She's round the corner.
She's radioing in.
Oh my god, we need to get down there now. We need to go. Come on.
So, yeah, bye Blair Witch. And I think
Megan, got some breaking news on her.
yeah, Megan, what's your breaking news?
What?
What's your breaking
Back
news?
to you in the newsroom, Megan.
Yeah, actually,
You like ditched us.
nothing. It was something that was already there.
You radioed back to us saying there was exclusive
Yeah, and you
news.
said it was already there.
Oh wow. But yeah, I think there's rehearsals going on. I can hear like people and stuff. It was pretty cool. I don't know if they're testing new audio as well. Right, so as you can see there's a bit of a crawling section on Blair Witch. It was quite spooky, like, that's pretty mad. Like, I don't think there's been a crawling maze since my bloody van time, so it's quite scary, like, the fact you have to crawl. But yeah, let's go more further. So guys, it's come to the end of the day. I hope you've enjoyed the updates I've included in this video today. We've been joined by Megan, Kieran and Jack, and peace. It's episode 2 of Spastic in a Box. He's over there on the phone. And he's swearing.